Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. This is what to expect on Gqeberha this coming week. On Monday, Sivuyile and Gqeberha come together to help one of their own. A gunshot rings out at the Mxenge Hotel. Zimkhitha sets a plan in motion to secure Ntando's future. On Tuesday, Vuyokazi investigates Zukile's murder. Sivuyile receives a not-so-friendly visit in jail. Hlumelo worries about what the murder will do for the business. On Wednesday, Vuyokazi discovers damaging information about Zukile's shooter. Sivuyile struggles to deal with the consequences of his actions. Noma Flower deals with Omniscious guest. On Thursday, the Makwetus are divided over Sivuyile's guilt deeds. Vuyokazi has a life-altering decision to make regarding Stokkie. Zimkhitha and Ntando fight over sconce. On Friday, Stokkie becomes wanted fugitive, desperately attempting to contact Yoluswa. Sivuyile seeks forgiveness from Nontle and finds the courage to face Ngamlana. Thank you for watching.